Hello everyone, my name is Karim, and today I will introduce you our server-side extension BellaDati route optimizer. So as I mentioned, this is server-side extension based on BellaDati. It is fully connected with our database and our machine learning. Here is our UI for optimizer of labor and travel costs. This is our demo for service optimize. BellaDati route and workphase usage optimizer is an easy-to-use solution for analysis of customer location, sales territory design, daily and monthly services routes designed for regular maintenance and for emergency, and also vehicle fleet routing and scheduling. BellaDati route and workphase optimizer helps to optimize labor usage and travel distances to minimize costs. Multiple input parameters are used for the location of services or goods dispatch, for technicians, and for cost calculation. Here in this table we can see a table of our technicians from our demo. It is on this table we can see the names of the technicians, earliest departure of the technician, and the latest arrival to the service of technician. Here is the map which is based on Google API, but it doesn't matter. You can use only OpenStreetView or another client for visualize the map and coordination locations. So here we can see we are now in Tokyo, and we are solving a root problem for service of the lifts. The black circles are technicians situated on the map in the city of Tokyo, and the red circles are services which we want to solve. These services are situated in these tables, and we can see address of the service. We can see time window when is available service, and service duration of the service. So if we click on the one of the service, we can see bigger circle. Here, this is the service on the address Yamatoshi, and we can see his time window and service duration too. It is very easy to use this server-side extension if you want to edit some technician to the map or to the location. What do you want? You can click easy to with the left button on the mouse, and you can see the pop-up window. Here you can see the coordinates of the technician of the technician, latitude and longitude, and also you can see the address of the technician where he can be situated. So easily you can put some technician name, and you can set him his earliest departure to the service and latest arrival from the service. So if you click to submit, you can edit it very easy. So maybe, yeah. Okay, so if I edit him, it is visible here on the map, and also it is visible on the table technicians. Optimal solution is listed in our UI interface and visualized on the map. You can see real-time location of the technician. It is displayed on this map, so that in case of emergency, the closest technician can be sent to the place of service. BellaDati optimizer is the part of the BellaDati framework, so that the optimizer can be immediately combined with other data sources for analytics or tools available in BellaDati extensions as QR or barcode, acceptance system on tablets, planner of scheduled maintenance, driving style of the drive to decrease petrol costs, and many more. If we want to edit service on the map, it is very easy too with button click on right button click on the mouse, and also you can see his coordinates and address where it will be situated. You can set him service time. Also, you can set time window, so start time and end time when is available the service. And if you are solving a delivery problem, you can set a capacity of this delivery job. So another very important tab is configuration tab. In this tab you can set cost for distance, for transport time, for service, or fixed cost of the service. In the case of delivery problem, you can set capacity of one vehicle or of one employer. So it will count the capacity of vehicle and the capacity of service. So we can set some configuration. So we can set maybe 3. It's if you want. Here is currency of euro, but you can set your own currency if you want. And we can set also a fixed cost of service. So every service will cost maybe 10 euros. So if we click on a submit, it will set up our route optimizer, and now we are available to solve a problem. So if we click on solve problem, we are solving with our algorithm route optimizer, and in the end we will be able to see solved routes for every technician and his schedule. So in this route optimizer are variable input parameters for services. You can set what I mentioned, location. You can set service time window. You can set also priority of the job. So default priority is medium priority. It's number 2, but you can set also highest priority or lowest priority. And also you can set required skill for some service. So if you need to some service electrician, you can set it up here, and and there will be sent only technician with skills of electricians. So here is our solved routes. In this tab, in this table, you can see every technician with his schedule. So if I click on technician number 1, Philip Dan, we can see his arrive time to the first service and the end time from this service, and we can see also difference between these services. It's a distance of the route. This is for car transportation, but you can also set up transportation by walk or by public transport. So on this map we can see that the technician Philip Dan is firstly arrived to service with letter B, and then C, D, E, and F. So this technician is ending his labor at 5 p.m. So we can click on the another technicians, and we can see also his schedule, and you can see all of your technicians. So for example, we can see that the technician what I've created test technician has no work, because the technicians are available to fix these services in their time window, so we can easily to remove our technician from the map. And so if you are correct with this solution, you can see also your total cost of the services, and you can save setup of your problem, and it will be sent to BellaDati. Your configurations for cost for distance, fixed cost, and your technicians and jobs, it will be sent to BellaDati database. So so you have you will have saved your datas, and you can back to them if you are newly open this ServerSide extension. This ServerSide extension is written in JavaScript, and the core of the ServerSide extensions is written in Eclipse in Java language. So we are using this Java jar. We are using it in our server-side extensions, so we can easily to call methods from this jar in our server-side extension. I would like to see you database what I've said that it is in our BellaDati side, so you can see the dataset maybe for technicians. And if you click on browse data, you can see these technicians what I've had in my server-side extension. Also, you can see the services what I've had in our server-side extension. There are locations and coordinations and these time windows for the root optimizer. I can see you. I can see on my server-side extension what this looks like. It is, yeah. So we have here some collection of endpoints. What I called from my JavaScript program. This is situated here in HTML body. So here we can see JavaScript program and endpoints. What I've called, maybe for example here for edit technician to the map. So if I call endpoint for edit technician, I can see it here. This endpoint I've called, and here it is calling the method edit technician from my Java jar, what I've mentioned that I've created for this server-side extension. So this is for the function of the server-side extension, and we can have we have also graphic side. It's a front-end side, so we can see all of the styles in CSS created for this server-side extension. So it is very easy to edit it to your for your needs. Yes, for your needs. So thank you very much for your time, and we will be happy to see you on the next webinar from BellaDati. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.